Last week, Manhyia. Na yura to me for pa. Otumfuo enu ana osa hira me kan ho. Na me ko fie no me dwen saa na omo munni no. Edi adanse se krom ha. Me dia asem wo Ghana Supreme Court. Ana abrochi nso me dia asem wo Broni Court ye friend Old Bailey. Any House of Laws, any Supreme Court, but Judge Bianca Semin Cheremia, a kicking me to say, a summer you're a catcher, me no. Now, media, when you GD will move say you're a reincarnation of King Solomon. Now, me buy me bedan, person me bedan, I say, me name in Crawford. Papa ya ujina in chain, or ya merofa, if you're Joso, a friend of Kwame Dure. Papa ya ojina ni nchen your friend Ebenezer Dadzi India nina ojina ni nchen dia oye Otumfuo Nana your friend Sing Seti ono me di kan over 30 years ago Epeja Iron Rod Company wo krom ha na B5 plus impo eshina say your friend Sing Seti Otumfuo Chairman, Osei, me mayora, NTS say, because I say Odonintino, or be another branch of SETI manufacturing, or Asukwa, New Road, and now Komiada Roma. Omudine Hupa, because Omunina Kuta, Edinkro, ye Papana Ujnan in Chino, or also your friend Sing Seti. Oyenenia penyimu na maame no so a ogina won so no oye Setiwe a sister na papa no ogina ne nchen no so ye ne husband sa papa we no aye na dream say obeba Ghana next year but he say eneye okudani ntino o say ofa flight every India Abesum Yera, because we see what Tia Redins are India, but when who ni pediada, only wife, only professors at university were India. Now, Papana, Wifra Black Turban, no, is a towel, no. Your friend, Mr. Jid, 35 years ago, only Mr. Seti, started Iron Road Business World, Liberia. Na papa no jani challenge Otumfuo Nana madam for pa Nana Poku.
We bring you greetings and salutations all the way from India. I am Dr. Indrajit Kaur Sethi and I am retired professor from Delhi University, India. Currently, I am working with an Indian NGO promoting cancer awareness in schools, colleges, and other social organizations. It's a privilege for my family and me to share this special occasion with you and to be part of this splendid Ashanti culture. I have read a little on the history of Ashanti Kingdom, and it is an indisputable fact that under your sterling leadership, it has become the most powerful and illustrious kingdom of Ghana. As an educationist, I am very proud of your contribution to help raise education and literacy level of youth in Ghana through your education foundation. I would very much appreciate if I am given the opportunity to spread awareness about cancer in Ghana, which unfortunately is on the rise the world over. Your contribution to the socio-economic and political development of Ghana is very well documented. Because of your contribution to the social economic development, Kumasi serves as the second administrative city and capital of Ghana, with your Manhyia Royal Palace as main destination for visiting foreigners like us to Ghana to give respect and to seek your wise counsel. My family and I are from the Sikh culture, and that is why the men folk, they wear the turban. Sikhism was born in the Punjab area of South Asia, which now falls in the present-day states of India and Pakistan. Your Majesty, we Sikhs share something in common with Ashanti people. That is, historically, we were brave warriors fighting for territories and independence from colonial rule. Your Majesty, we see a lot of Sikhism in you too. That is, you advocate for equality, social justice, service to humanity, and tolerance for other religions. I will end here by making a small request. That is, we would like a picture with you to take back memories to India with us. Thank you, and may you reign for long. God bless.
India for Israel. One
Thank you. Good one, huh? Yes, please. Yes, please. Maybe.
Dentini bube ne brebe nse sie bube ebeye de den
kura preko enim sebe odwampopo bi esi kuro ni mu awase wadore sra tanyini wantena fie ema aseduamfo
blani pie frimantam behin se pin enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fita na no akode ebrensi am wa wotua ne nsem mojabumo nim hu bi
duanani wie klaman wo ye sofo kra wo nyeye bi
tontonte ye no sane ye fa
NYANSAPO
abone ntakra na mane ye kese na ntakra abone de fanyinam kwatere kwa
mada woro ma ntuma ye fe ni din de sein
ni din de Obama
akola wa no so pese otrimu osuma ense bratam
the first ne honhon hia na America
sebe ka ya twa ni mu nyame nai ebu afaso enye de ya twa ni mu twa nyame
sebedi akone bekwen bodi atwede na se kofi nro ni ya aben ntima nyina ni mu ampata na wo ya de